Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you an extremely attractive and affordable dish, which is com rang dua bo, a typical dish of Vietnamese street food. And what's more special, you only need to spend $2 to have a full, delicious fried rice dish. First, let's talk about this dish. Com rang dua bo is the perfect combination of fried rice with pickled cabbage and sweet, tender beef. This fried rice dish has a very unique flavor, due to the blend of sourness of pickled cabbage, natural sweetness of beef, and richness of spices. The fried rice is evenly fried, not dry. Each grain of rice still retains its fluffiness and aroma. The beef is stir-fried quickly, keeping its softness, not tough, creating harmony with each grain of rice. So why is com rang dua bo so attractive? First, it is the special flavor of the dish. The pickled cucumber is just right, not too sour, creating a fresh taste for the fried rice dish. The beef is delicious and nutritious, and a little green onion, pepper, and chili sprinkled on top adds a rich flavor. Along with that is the pleasant taste, not too greasy, but still enough to fill your stomach. Next, we have to talk about the price factor. For only $2, you can enjoy a full, delicious portion of fried rice with beef and cucumber. This is an extremely reasonable dish for those who want to eat their fill without worrying about the cost. At this price, it is difficult to find a dish that is both delicious and nutritious like this. Moreover, this dish is very popular in sidewalk eateries or cheap rice shops, making it easy for you to find a portion of fried rice with beef and cucumber whenever you crave it. And finally, the convenience factor is indispensable. Made from easy-to-find and familiar ingredients, beef and cucumber fried rice is suitable for everyone, from students, working people, to tourists who want to try Vietnamese street food. A full serving of rice with beef, pickled cabbage, and fragrant fried rice, you can enjoy it in just a few minutes. This helps you save time while still having a delicious and nutritious meal. With a dish like beef and cucumber fried rice, you are not only enjoying a delicious meal, but also part of a journey to explore Vietnamese street food culture. This is a very familiar dish and is loved by many people because it is easy to eat, easy to prepare, and extremely rich in flavor. Another plus point for this dish is the flexibility in the way it is prepared. Although beef and cucumber fried rice can be prepared according to the basic recipe, you can absolutely add or remove ingredients according to your preferences. You can replace beef with chicken, pork, or even seafood. This makes this fried rice dish diverse and attractive to many people. Not only locals, but also foreign tourists are fascinated by fried rice with beef and cucumber. When you walk on the streets of Hanoi, Saigon, or anywhere in Vietnam, you can easily come across cheap rice carts, sidewalk eateries serving this dish. And each shop has its own secret to making fried rice more attractive. It is the diversity in the preparation and the friendliness of this dish that has made fried rice with beef and cucumber an indispensable part of the culinary life of Vietnamese people. Finally, fried rice with beef and cucumber is not simply a cheap dish, but also a vivid picture of Vietnamese culinary culture. With a reasonable price and unique flavor, this is definitely one of the dishes that you cannot miss when coming to this country. Whether you are Vietnamese or a tourist, try beef and cucumber fried rice once and feel its deliciousness. Wish you a great culinary experience, and don't forget to try beef and cucumber fried rice for only $2 to see that Vietnamese street food is not only cheap, but also extremely delicious.